Welcome back to Bazaar Morning Call. Well, we're just about getting the pre-opening rates in now. So the Nifty is indicating that the start will be in the green, marginally in the green actually. The index is up about 54 odd points. And a lot of individual stocks in pre-opening, Hindalco, Cipla, JSW Steel, Tech Mahindra are all trending in the green. So it looks like the market has a good thing going for itself. There's a bit of a recovery in the rupee as well. 82.07 was the close yesterday. I think it's opened at about 81.94. So a little bit of a recovery is what you're seeing flow through there. Let's take a look at how Wipro is doing, because that one's, the one that's going to react to its numbers. It hasn't really been, we've settled much higher. So looks like the market is also going to be pretty explosive this morning. It's, expected to be a fabulous Friday, at least the first part of trade. Manoj Murlidharan, Vice President Derivatives at Religare Broking is with us. Manoj, hi, good morning. How are you feeling about the market now? Do you think there's a lot more upside in this rally? And if yes, what are the stocks that you're looking at that one can bet on today?
Good morning, Sonia. Sonia, I guess this is almost October, November when we have actually seen the advent of this so-called upsurge. So if you ask me on a positional basis, is there more upside? Yes, we believe that, Nifty has a potential of almost 20,200 to 400. Now, this is purely based on some quantitative understanding that we have. But in the short term, at least what we see is the first 2 weeks is usually when you have the trending market for the new series, that is into the July contract, and then usually the second or the third week goes into a range bound session. But yesterday, despite the fall, the Nifty managed to add almost 3.5% more of open interest, and I believe that the positioning intra-month, because it has exceeded that 1.02 crores, we believe that at least on the derivative side, the sentiment is directly proportional to the position that you have. So 19,500 and 19,600, that's a good call spread we can do. You simply buy a 19,500 call option and sell a 19,600. You can do this strategy for around 30 to 35 rupees. The stop loss should be 10 and we're expecting a target close to 70. Now, having said this, that means that we're expecting the spot Nifty to be in the vicinity of almost 19,600, where there might be some resistance. Needless to say, it's Friday, so usually in the second half, we see a lot of option selling. Now, IT as a sector, I'd like to just comment on that. IT and pharma, these are two sectors where ideally, at least in the last 60 days, which are two contracts, you have seen the rationale of fresh arbitrage come in, where you see the positioning happening in the delivery side of the stocks, and then there is a derivative contract which is usually held. But in the short term, we like ABFRL. The stock has actually seen good cash-based buying at 216. We believe the stock has a potential of 230. So that would be the first stock. And from pharma, I guess Sun Pharma top the list right from 1020 onward. It has been rallying. But even now at 1070, it's a good buy. The stop loss should be 1040. The target close to 1110 on the stock.
Okay, Manoj, thank you very much for that. Mitesh is back with us for some 9-10 calls. Mitesh?